kagabi na umiilaw. Ooh. Yes.
Kunaw!
Kunaw. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah!
Yes. Oh. Wow. Dili mo. Solo tayo. Hello. Yan, ikot kami sa river. With the say hi. Hello. We're going to America. Oh. See you.
Hi. Hello.
What is your first impression of this boat ride?
Wow. Yan ang kagabi na umiilaw, oh. Whoa. Oh no.
Shaking.
Oh. The boat is shaking.
So nice.
Wow.
Ano tayo, idol?
Hello.
What are your expectations for today's
It's
video?
so amazing and very beautiful place.
Kapag crab.
Kapuga, Bandi, Bandi Coco.
Hello, Kapag crab.
Siya nga, oh.
Sawadee ka.
Tayo, waka, kaway-kaway.
Yeah. Bye-bye. The other one. Sakay pa muna. Sakay.
Nagbalyo lang ngayong kita. Okay, we are here. Nag-cross lang kami. Nag-cross. Ito tayo. Wapa. Nag-cross lang kami. Akala ko ikot-ikot. Oo nga. Nag-cross talaga lang sa river. Cross lang.
The longest cruise ever. It took us only 5 minutes.
Really, as a statement, 5 minutes.
We're going to the temple.
This way,
Temple of what?
the temple of Ambon. I cannot remember.
What Arrow Temple?
Single line, please. One single line. One
One
line.
single line, okay.
One line, please.
Okay. Ticket for Bataron. Bataron.
Per person.
200 baht.
40 minutes.